Impact sockets are the worst to read ever. So if you take a paint marker, you can use yellow, or I got white here. Kind of do this, paint it up real nice. Fill that in. Especially if you're old like you guys are, probably watching my channel. Get that all painted up nice. Then I have a little bit of alcohol on some paper towel. You don't have to hit it real hard. Check that out. Throw that on some of your impacts. You'll be able to see them really easy. Thanks for watching.